Hello friends, my name is Pooja and you are watching my YouTube channel Knowledge Just by Click. So we are here with syllabus for 2001 of Meghalaya's Teachers Eligibility Test, that is also known as MTET, and the syllabus is for paper 2, that is those who want to teach to class 6 to 8. So in this video we will be discussing exam pattern, syllabus, negative marking and also the qualifying marks and the detailed syllabus for paper 2. So moving forward friends, let's understand some key points. So who conducts MTET? So the body that conducts MTET is Meghalaya's Board of School Education, Directorate of Educational Research and Training, that is also known as DIRT. Name of examination is Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test, MTET. This is paper 2, that is for class 6 to 8, and the exam will be conducted in Meghalaya and the exam will be offline mode. The official website friends is this. You can go there and read all the details regarding the application, paper pattern, syllabus and everything. Now Meghalaya's exam pattern, okay, for MTET. The exam mode for paper 2 is offline. The question are 150 questions, that each question contains 1 marks. So the total marks is 150 marks. The duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. There are 4 sections. In paper 1 there were 5 sections, but in paper 2 there are only 4 sections. The type of question will be multiple choice question friends, and the language will be English. The language will be English. The paper language will be English, except for language 1 there are options. There are many options given, so you can choose among that. So for every correct mark there is 1 caution and there is no negative marking friends. So in your examination you should opt for all 150 questions. It is best. So if you have also doubt in any answer, you should opt for it. Never leave any question unanswered. Now coming to Meghalaya State paper 2 exam pattern. So friends, as we have discussed, the first topic is child development and pedagogy. And then it is of 30 marks. Then social studies and maths and science, it is comprised of 60 marks. English language 1, that is Khasi, Garo, Assami, Bengali, Hindi and Nepali. And in language 2 there is 30 marks, so the total is 150. Now coming to qualification, okay, the qualifying marks for unreserved category is 60%, that is 90 marks. For OBC it's 55%, that is 82 marks. For SC ST it's 55%, that is 82 marks. And for physically handicapped it is 55%, that is 82. So friends, now we will be discussing the detailed syllabus which is also available on the official website of Meghalaya's Teachers Eligibility Test, and I will be also sharing the details in the description. Okay, let's see what's the syllabus. So friends, this is the syllabus of Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test for 2021 paper 2, and is issued by Government of Meghalaya, Directorate of Educational Research and Training, Shillong. Okay. Now the first section is child development and pedagogy. For paper 2 it will come 30 marks, and the main topics are understanding development, concept of growth and development, characteristics with respect to childhood and adolescence stage, development of socio-cultural context, aspects of development, physical, motor development, cognitive development, here the figure theory, socio-economic development, moral development, gender development, difference between gender and sex, stages of gender development, stereotype in process of gender development, gender bias, educational practice, gender identity in the family. Okay. Methods of case study, here will be cross-sectional, longitudinal case study and case study, naturalistic and participant observation, reflective journals, student portfolio, anecdotal records, interview, inclusive education, and children with special needs. In this, differently challenged people, difference between integrated and inclusive education, concept of inclusive education, types of disability, barriers, inclusive education with different backgrounds. So all this topic will come. And the pedagogy section, learning and pedagogy, various theories will come. Assessment of student performance, school based assessment, difference between assessment for learning and assessment of learning. Friends, this section I will be sharing videos in my later videos, so you can all the topics which are given here I will be covering and making videos, so you can go through it and prepare for your examination. Now coming to language. So for language 1, it will be Khasi. See, there are various options. You can, for Khasi, this is the syllabus. This is the syllabus for Garo. So you have to opt for anyone. For Assami, this is the paper for Bengali. This is paper for Hindi. I can cover the grammar portion. So if you are interested, do let me know for grammar and composition. This is for Nepali. Urdu. This is for Mizo. Friends, I will be sharing the link. You can go and download the whole syllabus. This is for English. It will also come in 30 marks for paper 2. This is for maths and science. So those who want to teach for class 6 to 8 maths and science, friends, this is the 30 marks for maths, and in my later I will be sharing the 30 marks for science paper 2. So it will be pedagogy section, number system, prime and composite number, factors and multiples, LCM, ratio, proportion, discount, profit and loss, algebra, variables, coefficient to variables and constants, linear equation, line, angle and properties, area, perimeter of triangles, polygons, circles, bar graph, mean, median, mode. So 30 marks was that, friends. And for 30 marks science, this is the paper for 30 marks science. So pedagogy section will come. And for 15 marks, the core concept that are motion, heat, light, electricity, plant and animal cell, respiration in plants and animal, living and non-living thing, locomotor and movement in plants, etc., water and air. Now coming to social studies section. The nature and scope of social study at elementary level. So the concept, difference between social studies and social science, learning of social science with reference to NCF, approach to social science in pedagogical approach to learning. There will be oral history, case study. So different role playing, different topics are given. If you are interested, do let me know. I can share videos related to it. Now the assessment of social study learning at elementary level, CCE, that is continuous and comprehensive assessment. So if you are thoroughly, friends, for pedagogy, if you are thoroughly preparing your child development and pedagogy topics and few more things, you can very easily score in these sections also. And in core subjects, in there are 30 items like sources of history, early civilization, Mughal Empire, India movements, key elements to democracy, Indian constitution, judiciary. So history, civics and geography, all three related topics. So here the globe, weather, climate, natural vegetation, government, earth and movement, agriculture, all are related to geography. And there are some sections in understanding banking, type of accounts and consumer protection. So I have my notes this related to this also, friends. If you are interested, do let me know which topic you want. I'll share my videos related to that. Okay, so friends, this was the detailed topic. So friends, I would suggest as to you go on the official website, download the full syllabus, take a printout of it and start preparing topic by topic, because you have ample time for paper 1 and paper 2 also. For if you are opting for both, for the child development pedagogy section, you can, both the things will be covered. The topics are almost same. So if you understand pedagogy, if you understand child development, and whatever you have studied in your for educational degree, that topics will come and you can cover from that. And I'll be sharing videos for EVS and also social studies topics. I have my notes which I have prepared. So if you are interested in any topic, do let me know, and also subscribe the videos to get updates and press the bell icon. So hope this video must be useful. Thank you.